Alright folks, so back at it with another Nubeo watch, and this one I've had for a while now. I have this in 3 different color variations. This one, yeah, this is a black watch, right? And so you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know my feeling on black watches. They need to have something that's kind of unique to really make them, I guess, kind of set them apart. Otherwise, they just kind of look like a standard G-Shock, right? And there's nothing wrong with G-Shock. I love Casio like the next guy. But when it comes to a black watch, you want to be flashy. When you spend good money on a watch, you want it to get noticed, honestly. So this Nubeo watch is the least flashy of the 3 I have. And just so you guys can see, I got the turquoise, or like the teal. We'll call it like an aquamarine almost. And then, of course, probably my favorite here, the red. Sorry, somebody creeping. The red, very cool. One of my favorite red watches in my collection. Stunning watch. The black, still awesome. And what makes this watch kind of pop a little more is the fact that you have this Tanu style, kind of Richard Mille style. And that's, you know, that's not, Richard Mille didn't invent the Tanu or barrel shaped case, but they're kind of iconically known for that. I love that case design. I love it. It's super unique. It's very recognizable. But with this watch, they've done this forged carbon bezel. Now, the whole watch is not carbon, of course. It's done in like what I believe to be a 316 stainless steel. It's usually what they use. It's done with a black plating. We have a screw-on case back with an exhibition window. But that forged carbon variation of that bezel really just makes the watch pop. I really dig this watch, although it is one, let me take this other Nubeo off, that doesn't get a lot of wrist time in my collection, just because I kind of got to be in the mood for a black watch. And of the black watches I have, this one is like pretty subtle, right? But it's still awesome. I still totally dig this watch. Let's throw it on the wrist so I can show you some wrist shots here. Now, full disclosure, this watch is not available, and you might find a couple pop up on eBay. I will put the link in the description where you might find these popping up on eBay, but they are a hard watch to come across. And if you're looking for, you know, of all the years I've been collecting watches, of like the 500 that I have, when I'm looking for a black watch in my collection, something I want to wear, this is the only one I have in this Tanu style case. And you would think like, oh, everybody and their brother would make that. Not the case. It is a pretty unique all black watch. I do have a lot of like the Magellan watches in black, but not this much black. There's like a combination of stainless and black. And this one just really, it's totally murdered out. Like, it's a pretty sweet watch. Automatic movement. Specs on it, you know, I don't really know which movement it has. Usually they're using the Miotas, or they're using like the TMI series automatic movements. You know, lume on it. Again, let me see if they even have any information still on this. 'Cause sometimes they, yeah, so these are only limited edition to 100 units per colorway. Again, with all Nubeo watches, they're space inspired. This is, the Parker is a, looks like, what is a Parker? It is 316 stainless steel, just so you know. They do list that. They describe it as a barrel-shaped 316 stainless steel case. And I guess the Parker has to do something with, yeah, they don't have any other specs here. The Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018. You know, sometimes their kind of themes are very loose. Like, there's nothing that I look at this watch and say, oh yeah, I see the Parker, I get it. But it does look like, when I'm looking at a picture of the Parker, it does look like it might be using some sort of like carbon, which is maybe why they called it that. I can't really speak to the picture they have here of what appears to be the solar probe. It looks like it's done in like a forged carbon. Now, I'm not sure if that was sketched on there or what it's actually made of, but you know, you guys, if you Google that, let me know. But I totally dig this watch. Again, super cool looking piece. Definitely one that, what's nice about this barrel-shaped case, it's kind of skinny, and a lot of the other barrel-shaped cases that I have are a little bit fatter. So pretty sweet. I mean, there's not really much else I can say about it, being that the specs aren't really there, but typically they'll use like a rubber or a silicone strap. Sometimes F-cam rubber, just depends on the model. We have the Nubeo branding on the clasp. That's pretty standard. But it's a watch that every time that I know I have these, and I don't wear a lot of them sometimes, you know, I have to kind of be in the mood for each particular watch. But it's cool to know that I have them, and then when I open them up and like look at what I have, I just kind of am reminded how, one, lucky I am to have these collaborations, but just that I have these really cool watches in the collection. So let me know what you think of this watch. I'll put the link in the description and in the comment section where you might be able to find a few of these. If you do, snatch them up while you can. They are hard to come by. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.